Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That, where I post weekly videos showing how to cook on the Blackstone or on the Big Green Egg. Today we're on the Blackstone cooking an all-American breakfast. We're having pancakes, bacon, and eggs. I am doing two different styles of eggs today because one daughter likes what she calls flat eggs or fried eggs, and the other one likes scrambled eggs. So anytime I'm cooking bacon on the Blackstone, I like to wear an apron because it does pop a little bit of grease. And I am starving, so let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with low heat all the way across today, and we always start with our meat because it takes the longest. So today, since we're cooking bacon, I'll get that laid out across the griddle. And then we're going to throw on our pancakes, and last but not least, we will do our eggs. Eggs are always last because as soon as they get cold, they're not as good anymore. When your bacon starts to get a little bit of color on the edges and it starts to wrinkle up, it's time to flip. Gonna lay some avocado oil down on this side so we can get it smeared around, because once the bacon's halfway done, we're gonna start with the pancakes and eggs over here. I don't use the pancake pour from Blackstone. I've heard that they break after just a few uses sometimes, so I just use the traditional mixing bowl with a pour spout. And you can make your pancakes any size you want. I typically make mine about 4 to 6 inches wide. You can go larger, 8 to 10 inches like restaurants, or even the silver dollar pancakes that are only about 2 or 3 inches wide. And I do still like to use a plastic flipper for my pancakes. Don't forget to check your bacon, and you can cook it however you want it. I like mine crispy, but other people like theirs chewy. So I'm gonna flip it one more time and then we'll get it taken off. With pancakes, you'll see the little bubbles come up, and when they start popping, it's usually time to flip. You can also watch the edges, and when the edges start to firm up a little bit and change texture, that lets you know that they're done as well. And this bacon is ready to come off. Your Blackstone has hot spots, so sometimes you have to move stuff towards the center. It's always going to cook slower on the edges. Check out this beautiful golden brown on the back of these pancakes. And remember, I only used a little bit of oil and no butter. I let my guests add butter if desired. The second side of your pancakes is going to take less time than the first side did to finish cooking. So make sure you check them. Once you get the color you want, it's time to take them off. You're gonna pour up a second round of pancakes here, and then the rest of the bacon is done, so we'll get it off the griddle. I'm going to use this bacon grease for cooking my eggs, but I'm going to scrape off some of the junk that's on the skillet. Now I'm going to crack 3 eggs for our fried eggs. My children do like the yolk busted and mixed in with the egg whites, so don't hate on the technique here. I'm cooking to order exactly what they want. Salt and pepper on the eggs. Absolutely love these salt and pepper grinders. They are gravity fed, so all you do is flip them upside down and it kicks the battery on and freshly grinds your salt and pepper. I'll put a link to these in the description and in the pinned comments so you can get some for yourself. And you'll see that I'm also busting those yolks, like I said, and mixing them in with the egg whites. If your Blackstone is seasoned well, your eggs shouldn't stick very much, but you may need to loosen the edges. So I just go around all the edges of the egg with my spatula, and then I can flip them over. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to the back of these eggs and get these pancakes out of the way, and we're ready for our scrambled eggs. And last but not least, we have some scrambled eggs for the other child. Like fried eggs, scrambled eggs are definitely cooked to taste. So I'm just going to fold these into the center and then chop them up to our desired consistency and let them cook until they're dried out just a little bit, but not too dry. Don't forget to add your salt and pepper. I love these half sheet platters for getting everything from the Blackstone into the house, and everything's ready, so let's eat, y'all. We love this meal so much we even eat it for dinner sometimes. I hope you learned at least one thing today that you can immediately take back to your Blackstone. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. While you're down there, click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll see the next time I upload videos. You can click any of these videos shown on the screen right now and they'll open right up on your device. Down in the description and the pinned comments, you'll find links to all of the materials that I used today, as well as a link to these awesome t-shirts. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and as always, I hope you have a great day.